So, hello everyone, how are you all? This is Wasim Qureshi, and today we are having with a new and amazing topic, which is going to be uh, cautious and amazing for you. So, let's begin without wasting moment. So, people, our topic is that we shouldn't wait for right time. So, why people we shouldn't wait for right time? Because right time never comes. You have to grab the opportunities. You have to make your right time. No one will come and never your right time come. So it's up to you. If you have prepared plan, so you can go over there, but otherwise there haven't any kind of thing to do. So what should we do at the moment at this position? So people, in this situation we shouldn't wait for right time, because you are the person who can make your right time now, who can make your time golden. Only you are the person. No one will come to support you, and no one will come to get your money. If you will gain, so definitely you will gain, and you will earn, and you will get a lot of things whatever you are preparing for. So it's also up to you. If you will be positive person, so you can also resilience over there, otherwise won't you be able to do the thing whatever you are planning for. And people, you can take a lot of examples of those person who used to wait for right time, but now they are also waiting for the right time, and their right time haven't come yet. So you and only you are the person who can make your right time now instantly. And we should also keep our status like time, because the time is a thing which, if it wends, so never it comes. So people, we should also imitate the time, and then you will make your status. People, we no need to run behind the money, we need to run behind the knowledge. And when you will run behind the knowledge, so definitely you will be able to success in your life, and you would be pleasant in your life with your family. So people, if you want to keep your life happy, so you just have to follow these kinds of things, and you should have to keep it in your schedule. So that's it for today. Hope that you got understood it. Thanks.